To make carne asada like your grandma made it in El Rancho, you're gonna need a comal or cooking flat griddle like this. Once it's hot, we're gonna add the beef steaks like this. Pour some salt on them. And then turn them over. So you don't need a barbecue grill. With a comal it's easier and faster. We're also gonna pour some salt on this side. I'm gonna add some more beef. That should do it. We're gonna cover it so it cooks faster and better. Like this. Once most of the liquid is gone, we're gonna remove the cover. And we're gonna keep stirring them and turning them like that. They're almost ready. These are ready. Now we're gonna taste the carne asada. See how it tastes. Cut some pieces. And we're gonna accompany it with salsa falsa de aguacate or fake avocado sauce. This is the sauce that they serve at the restaurant in place of avocado sauce. So I already have the recipe on how to make it in videos. Hopefully it's not that spicy. Let's try a carne asada taco. My friends, this is delicious. Also very healthy since it doesn't have any extra fat. And that's how you make carne asada the easy way. Thank you for watching.